Hey everybody, we just talked in that virtual staff meeting about a tutorial video on how to post a video to YouTube and how to make one. I'm going to show you how to do that with your school laptop because it's really easy. And then it's on a school device and not on your own personal device too, which I personally think is kind of nice. So this is a good way to, if you want to read a story to kids, if you just want to be able to chat with them so they can see your face, you can do kind of whatever you want with that. The first step is to press the F4 button. It's right above the number 4 on your keyboard. When you press it, it should look like this, and you'll want to go to the app called Photo Booth. So mine's right here. Now, when you first go to it, most likely, hopefully this doesn't give us a horrible sound because we're about to make a video of making a video. We'll see how this goes. Right now, it's just set to take a picture. So you want to go over here where there's these 3 different items over here. Sorry, I'm trying to make the mouse bigger. There it is. And you want to click the far right one that's the video. And I mean, really, it doesn't matter. You can click whatever. You want to click the button that makes this look like a video camera instead of a normal camera. So we'll just do this really quick as a sample. But once you press the button, it gives you a countdown, and then it will be recording. So we'll try this here. We'll make a really short video so we can practice uploading it. Hi, students. It's so great to see you. Be good. Yay. Alright, so that was our really great, amazing video. And once we're done with it and we hit the stop button on the video, it just pops up right here. If you need to erase it, you can click on it and just click the X button and that'll get rid of it. The other nice thing you can do from here is you can just grab this file and drag it onto your desktop so that it's really easy to work with. I recommend doing that. So I've now used Photo Booth to make my video or record reading a story to the class. So now I'm going to close that. The next step is to go to your email. I'm going to delete that. So once you go to your email, if you go up to the app button up here, if you scroll down, you'll get to YouTube. Also, you can just go to youtube.com and then sign in. If you're not able to sign in or make an account, you'll have to talk to Max about that. So if you go to YouTube and it says sign in up here in the right hand corner, you'll need to do that first. So this is the same little icon that is with my email account. So I'm signed in. This little button here that looks like a video camera with a plus sign, that's what you want to click on. You want to say upload video because we've already made our video. And YouTube has now made this really easy for us. So we can now just move that over. We can take the video file we just made and put on the desktop. We can just drag it there. Now, this was a really short video. If you're reading them a whole story, some of these processing steps will take a little bit longer. So we'll call this the video about videos. And we'll hit next. Really, you're just giving it a title so that it has a name when it pops up. This is a thing that is made for kids. Yes. Okay. I just skip this step, especially if it's just a video you're sending to kids. It's not a thing I bother with. I just press next for video elements. Visibility, I tend to make mine public because I'm certainly not giving out any private information in a YouTube video. After that, I hit publish. Here's where if your video is longer, it might take a while. So mine's already done. I can use this link right here to email it to parents. If you've already done that, I'll show you another way that you can get to all your stuff. So if you're in YouTube here, I like to do things from the Your Channel screen. So if you go back up to where your little symbol is in the top right and click on Your Channel, it'll have all your stuff here. So you can click on that video you just made. You go to the share button underneath it, and the address is right there. It's also still just at the top of the screen in the address bar too. So once you're there, you can just copy and paste that link from your video into an email and send it out to your students. Hopefully that's helpful. If not, let me know and I can try to be available to answer some questions.